Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, lane departure warning, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.